Okay, good morning and welcome to my caravan stroke car grotto. This is out of bounds to Sarah, unless of course she's bringing me a nice cup of coffee in, which she's very much welcome, and a bit of toast and maybe a bacon sandwich, but I'm probably hoping for that. So today's video is all about detailing, and it's detailing a little bit further than just sort of caravan washing. So over the next few days I will be cleaning the caravan ready for our adventures up to Cumbria, and having done valeting before a high level and using the chemicals, we've decided to run these across and use them for our caravan. So basically in front of me I've got a selection of products which we use regular. We use them on our cars, and these have been proving quite successful. Now I know most of your subscribers and viewers out there will be using Genichem and Fenwicks and Silkies, but I have ordered Genichem. It's took over a week to come and I haven't heard anything back. So with that in mind, then the video what you'll see shortly is a clip of the products what we've been using in-house. We try to use everything when we're washing caravans or cars with very less contact. Less contact means less damage, less scratching going on, and it does actually provide a really nice finish of what we use. The process what we're going to be using will be simply a citrus pre-wash followed by a snow foam. Then on top of that we will do a contact wash on that. The clips what you will see will be part of the caravan, not all of it, and it's really down to you guys to decide how much more you want to see of coming into my grotto of caravan cleaning equipment, because obviously we can specialize and talk a little bit more about how to get scratches out of windows, how to clean your alloys properly, which is really important. Alloys and tires are really important on a caravan. The fact that they don't do much wear, they're sat about all day, and conditioning tyres is a really important factor. So that will come in a later video. Let us know in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me whether you want to see any more of the cleaning aspects. But as I say, today it's all about using some of these chemicals in front of me, seeing what you think of them, having a look at our caravan when it's finished. We are going to put like a glaze on it, which once we've washed it, we will be putting a sealant on the caravan, and that will prevent it, and it will make the process a lot easier for when we come to clean the caravan again. So with that in mind, grab me coffee, grab me wash mitt, and let's open that jet up and see how we're going to do it all. Okay, well, that's the Caravan cleaned and it's ready for its maiden voyage. Just want to go over a couple of points. What you would have seen in the video, what we've just shown, is that all the chemicals we have used today, they're all actually very comfortable for a Caravan. I've actually tailored them down to start with as it is the first wash. I haven't put anything too heavy on them. The jet wash process, what we've used, it's all been very fine. It hasn't damaged any seals. But just to clarify that the chemicals what I've made up, I have put them at quite a lower sort of density than what I would normally do. So I haven't actually treated it like a car. I have treated it with respect of a Caravan, and none of the products what I've used today will actually affect the Caravan on the seals and all the rest of it. So, and I have spoke to one or two of the manufacturers where I bought from as well, and they actually said it's absolutely fine to use that. So, but a little bit cautious. First clean, it's come up absolutely lovely, and now it's something for me to build on for the rest of the year. And I'm sure by winter everything will just flow straight off the Caravan onto the floor where it belongs. So hope you enjoyed that video. Like I say, guys, your subscriptions, your notification buttons are really important to us at this stage. Our channel is getting a little bit better every week. When we look at it, we're not always on YouTube. We don't always look at the numbers. It's just what YouTube actually send us an email to show us our notifications and our subscriptions. But that is important. So please subscribe. Please press your notification buttons, and please leave your comments and let me know if you want to see us back in this grotto again to do some more Caravan cleaning. But in the meantime, thanks very much, guys. Bye bye.